Okay, so in the time that it's taken me to boil some water, I've chopped up my eucalyptus leaves. This is about 100 grams. It's semi-dried, I would say. And I'm just going to pour the boiling water over top and let it sit for 24 hours to start with. Borada morning, day 2 eucalyptus dyeing. The semi-dried leaves had boiling water poured over them, and then I simmered them for about an hour before letting them sit overnight, and we're already getting good color out of that. I'm going to leave the leaves in the dye bath because that's what the book says to do. Also, I'm glad because of that I didn't cut them into super tiny chunks, because that might then stick to my yarns. So I'm going to put my yarns in there, and then I'm going to put it on to simmer for a bit longer today and see what we get.